Hello everybody, it's been a while, but welcome back to the Gyrocopter Flying Club. I must say I appreciated the email messages inquiring to my well-being, very kind thoughts. Today's film will be about the recent Oshkosh midair collision, and for those frequent visitors to the channel, you'll know that part of the focus is flight safety, because like it or not, the gyroplane has a very unfair accident-prone label, and the recent midair collision at Oshkosh seems to prove my point. It's very early days, but the NTSB have released a preliminary report, and some of the bare facts contained within it seem to give signposts to where the issues are. The crash happened between an ELA gyroplane and a Rotorway 162 helicopter. The report is produced here, and you can read the content the NTSB wrote so that we might remove any emotion. Fair to say that the report suggests examination of both aircraft revealed no evidence of any pre-impact mechanical malfunctions or failures that would have precluded normal operation, which therefore means at this stage two perfectly serviceable aircraft crashed into each other in the circuit. Factors specific to the Oshkosh event, the busy nature of the pattern, its constraints, administration, the RT that came before the accident, the events of prior days, pilot briefings, and of course the experience the pilots have in this environment will all likely become contributory factors that will only become apparent from the investigation and will come with the final report. The elephant in the room, however, is the 360-degree turn or orbit at that particular point in the pattern. Orbits in the visual circuit are usually done for commercial reasons and should be a last resort rather than routine practice. Although it seems to me that operation here is in a non-ATC environment, and since no one is in control of what's going on and other pilots in the circuit will fully expect aircraft ahead to conform to the circuit procedure, a 360-degree turn in the visual circuit is a very undesirable procedure and should be avoided wherever possible. Simply go around if you've got too close on final. For the most part, gyroplane accidents are less to do with the aircraft and more to do with the pilots. And on this channel we try and highlight that good airmanship and solid procedures are likely going to keep you safe. Trying to always highlight the unique ability of the aircraft, flying overweight, flying non-standard approaches, or having overconfidence in your ability versus sales pitch does seem to pervade throughout our community. Given the number of hours flown versus the accident rate, we must do better. The insurance premiums are telling you something. Fly safely.